Just going to do a quick smear of Timbermate. Fill in the voids. It's not really what the Timbermate's supposed to stick to. Oops, scoop the leg. But it going to kind of get glued in place with the shellac or whatever I do. And just getting a little color in there is going to make all the difference. This is the Walnut Timbermate from Woodcraft. That's where I get these guys. So I feel like that's looking really good. I might put just a little bit on this edge just to jam up the gaps. Okay, so I have some Timbermate here and over there. I'm just going to smooth it out with my dust collecting Festool hose here. If you're seeing this video, I've got another video coming out about something that's really going to change how this works and how it's going to change how I flip furniture. So subscribe.